This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Use input question to prompt the user and capture text input. Always print a clear prompt and include examples inside the prompt text. Call strip and cast types like int or float after input to convert responses. Validate the data by checking for expected length and characters. Use try and accept blocks to handle conversion errors and show a friendly retry message. Keep prompts concise and consistent for reliable user responses and easier testing. Use a loop to reprompt until input passes validation rules. Provide numbered choices like 1, 2, 3, and parse int safely. Display choices on separate lines and include a default option in parentheses. Validate length, digits, and allowed characters before accepting input to avoid bad data. Use regular expressions for complex patterns and explain failure reasons to the user. Break long questions into smaller prompts to guide users step by step and reduce errors. Use argparse for command line questions and to parse flags and values. For scripts that run non-interactively, accept defaults and environment overrides with argparse. Create simple GUI prompts with tkinter. Entry and tkinter. Simpledialog. AskString for desktop apps. Mask secrets when asking for passwords and use getpass. Getpass to hide input on terminals. Log responses to a file and mask secrets when storing sensitive input to protect user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.